students, welcome to Listen and Learn, Standard 9th English Bridge Course, Activity 16. All of us need an inspiration, motivation to lead us to a better life. This inspiration we get from famous quotes. जब हम किसी समस्या, दुख या दुविधा से गुजरते हैं, तब ज्ञानी व्यक्तियों के अनुभवी बोल हमारा मनोबल बढ़ाते हैं. This activity will help you to understand quotes with the given examples. Look at the pictures carefully and answer the questions asked before, while, and after the activity. Let's start with the given quotes. Die with memories, not dreams. Life is very short. We have to seize every opportunity to create something memorable. अधूरे सपनों के साथ मरने से बेहतर है खूबसूरत यादों के साथ मरना. Former President of South Africa, Nelson Mandela, one of the most prominent leader of the world, devoted his life for the cause of black people to fight against racial discrimination. He has said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. शिक्षा से दुनिया में सकारात्मक बदलाव लाया जा सकता है. Education is the key to eliminate gender inequality, to reduce poverty, to prevent needless deaths and illnesses, and to foster peace. Health is a state of complete harmony of the body, mind and spirit. सेहतमंद होना अर्थात शरीर, मन और आत्मा का संतुलन. A statement given by B.K.S. Iyengar, one of the foremost yoga teacher in the world. The purpose of our life is to be happy. जीवन का उद्देश्य है खुश रहना. Everyone wants to be happy, but the time and energy is spent on external happiness. Most of us do this. We must try to develop inner peace to be happy. A quote by Dalai Lama, a messenger of God. How inspirational these quotes are. Now see here some other famous quotes. I don't believe in taking right decisions. I take decisions and then make them right. Ratan Tata, a visionary, inspiring personality, a decision maker and a risk taker. भारतीय उद्योग जगत की एक लिविंग लेजेंडरी. His inner values and outer actions demonstrate higher level of responsible leadership. उन्नति की दिशा देने वाला यह कोट है. मैं इस बात पर विश्वास नहीं करता कि सही निर्णय लेने चाहिए. मैं पहले निर्णय लेता हूँ और बाद में उसे सही साबित करता हूँ. What a confidence! Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, our former president, a great scientist, missile man, while interacting with students, stated that the best brains of the nation may be found on the last benches of the classroom. Most of the people believe that backbenchers are weak in studies. Those who lack in academic performance, they are losers. But Dr. Kalam हर बच्चे की क्षमता पर विश्वास करते हैं. According to him, the children who are backbenchers can have abilities to do well in life. Intelligence is not only about scoring well, but also having creativity. Everyone is born with different abilities. Fail means first attempt in learning. These backbenchers may be the best brain of the nation. They may be job creators and entrepreneurs. The world will not be destroyed by those who do evil, but by those who watch and do nothing. आइंस्टाइन, दुनिया का विनाश बुराई से नहीं बल्कि बुराई को नज़रअंदाज करने वालों की वजह से होगा। यह बात आए दिन हम अनुभव करते हैं। किसी भी बुराई पर हमें क्या, यह एटीट्यूड उस बुराई को बढ़ावा देता है। हैप्पीनेस इज व्हेन व्हाट यू थिंक, व्हाट यू से एंड व्हाट यू डू आर इन हार्मनी। हमारी सोच, हमारा वक्तव्य, हमारे कर्म सभी एक साथ संतुलित होना, यही खुशी की परिभाषा है। महात्मा गांधी। Children are like birds in a garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, as they are the future of the nation and the citizens of tomorrow. बच्चे किसी बगिया में खिली नाजुक कली जैसे हैं। उनका ध्यान रखें, अच्छी परवरिश करें, क्योंकि वे देश का भविष्य है और भावी नागरिक है। Stated by your loving and dear Chacha Nehru. Smile 5 times a day at someone you really don't want to smile at. Do it for peace. Not necessary that love and compassion comes rushing to one person in one smile. But surely one can reduce the level of hatred by smiling. For a moment, ill feelings vanish. Smile is contagious. यही से शुरुआत होती है शांति की जर्नी। Peace begins with a smile. A quote by Mother Teresa. A day without laughter is a day wasted. आज हम मुस्कुराए नहीं, जीवन का एक दिन बर्बाद हो गया। When you laugh, you change. And when you change, the whole world turns magical. Stated by comedy king Charlie Chaplin. Students, go on reading quotes. ऐसे ही quotes समझ कर लेना है, पढ़ते जाना है और अपने जीवन को एक इंस्पिरेशनल आउटलुक देना है। ओके? नाउ exercise. Which is the most powerful weapon? Education. Health is the state of complete harmony of the body only. Is it true or false? False, as health is the state of complete harmony of the body, mind and soul. Die with memories, not with dreams. What is the antonym of die? Live. What is the synonym of powerful? Mighty and strong. Okay, complete this activity. We shall meet with a new activity very soon. Thank you.